The speed was a key factor in any initiative that any large organization was issuing. And in order to be able to do it, the important part is how do you actually access all the business logic and all the data that resides in your core application. Together with RPG, we are working and helping customers to actually access all the different legacy assets and being able to do it in a modern way.
The ESB is a very pricey piece of software, and that was okay when you did the heavy lifting, but now when someone else does the heavy lifting, the only function had remained in it was basically bridging to the mainframe. Then Open Legacy does that much better, faster, and cheaper. Time to market's dramatically improved. We no longer need to do custom-made XML gateway and ESB services, 2 days per service. Now we can shift over to RPG and Open Legacy, and now we are down to less than a day per service and counting.